Okay, so I'm going to repeat that one. Only I think Ayana is correct. So here we go. The cost of advertising, right? It supports our selling process. So it's definitely not the manufacturing cost under any head. So manufacturing cost comprises of three things: direct labor, direct material, and manufacturing overhead. This is the non-manufacturing cost because it supports our selling process. Advertising is not a manufacturing cost. Neither it is direct material, neither it is direct labor, neither it is, nor it is manufacturing overhead. It is non-manufacturing cost, and under non-manufacturing costs, it is a selling cost. Under non-manufacturing costs, we have two: selling and administrative. So number two is selling. How about number three? The wages of employees who assemble computers from components. Camila, Stella.
Direct labor.
Direct labor, okay. Camila, you can write on a group chat or on this Chumu chat. Yes, Jordan?
Yeah, direct labor.
Direct labor. Alima? Crystal?
Direct labor.
Very nice. Good. It's fairly simple. How about the fourth one? Sales commission paid to companies' salespeople.
I have selling cost.
Good. Very nice. Camila, if your answer for our fourth one, sales commission, then selling cost is good. Yes. Good, 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 Camila. Okay, any other? Okay, we are agreeing on this one. That's fourth one is on selling. Fifth one, the wages of the assembly shop's supervisor. Tim, Leo, Ayana, Alima, Landry.
Maybe administrative cost.
You said administrative cost. Administrative, manufacturing overhead. Who said?
It's me, Ayana.
Ayana, okay. Nice. So we have two options: manufacturing overhead and administrative. Any other options? Jordan, Jackie, Sunho.
I think overhead, yeah, manufacturing overhead.
Okay, Sunho. We can't hear you. Okay, Tim. Tim. So the correct answer is it's manufacturing overhead. Why? Because the wages of assemblies shop supervisor. So where this assembly is, it's in head office or it's in factory. It is in manufacturing facility. So anything that is in manufacturing facility that belongs to manufacturing cost. Non-manufacturing cost include head office system where there is clerical job, where there is executive, they are sitting over there. The supervisor are always inside the factory. So this is manufacturing overhead, Leo. It's not the administrative, okay?
Yes.
Number
Okay.
6, the wages of company's accountant. Simple, right? Company's accountant.
Administrative.
Very nice. Good, Camila. How about the seventh one? Depreciation on equipment used to test assembled computers before release to customers.
Direct cost.
It's depreciation on equipment used to test assembled computers before release to customers.
Manufacturing overhead.
Manufacturing overhead. Jordan, what did you say?
I said direct cost or something.
Direct cost.
Derek, material cost or something?
Okay. How about you, Leo, Ayana, Crystal, Minsu?
I have manufacturing overhead.
Yeah, I put manufacturing overhead too.
It is a manufacturing overhead. Remember, depreciation is always a manufacturing overhead. And this depreciation is the equipment that is used inside the factory one. That is manufacturing overhead, right? If that equipment is used in head office, for example, accountants, chairs is going to be like depreciated, that would be administrative cost, depreciation, because that is not inside the manufacturing facility, right? Because we cannot easily trace out that how much depreciation is going to be applied on one unit of product, right? So that's why we included it into manufacturing overhead. The last one, rent on the facility in the industrial park, a combination of manufacturing overhead, selling, sorry, that would be the answer I'm talking about. Rent on the facility in the industrial park.
Manufacturing overhead.
Manufacturing overhead, okay, and
Non-manufacturing? No.
Mhm. Okay, this one, let me explain that. So rent on the facility in the industrial park. So remember, so it means all the facility is located in one place, right? So marketing department is inside the factory, head office is inside the factory, and also production department is inside the factory. So question didn't mention that the rent is for manufacturing facility or for administrative facility or for marketing facility. If this rent is mentioned here like that, rent of the facility, a manufacturing facility in the industrial part, it means it is that rent that belongs to production area. That would be manufacturing overhead. If the question says rent of the head office inside this industrial park, then that would be administrative cost. And if the question says rent of the manufacturing, rent of the facility of the marketing department inside the industrial park, that would be selling expense. So that is debatable. Since the question is silent, so we can say that it is manufacturing overhead. But that is debatable. We can also say that the question is silent and we can apply on pro rata basis. For example, 2/3 belongs to factory, then 2/3 of the rent belongs to manufacturing overhead, 1/3 belongs to the administrative and selling non-manufacturing cost, right? Are we clear on that one?
So we put both, right?
Yes, we put both manufacturing overhead and selling and administrative, because question is silent, because this facility we don't know whether this facility is manufacturing or whether it includes all the three departments inside or it's outside. Okay, so it's debatable. Okay, let's talk about, so I'm going to paste the solution on the slide as well. So if you review the slides, you can have the solution as well. Okay, now let's move further. So any question regarding any of this one? Any of the following discussions we can repeat if there is any ambiguity left, we can talk about that.
Can you explain administrative cost and selling cost once again?
Okay. So there are two kinds of cost, manufacturing and non-manufacturing. Okay, let me explain by writing here. And let me Here we go. So two kinds of cost. Manufacturing and non-manufacturing. Under manufacturing, the manufacturing cost consists of three parts. Number one is direct material, direct labor, manufacturing overhead. And non-manufacturing includes selling cost and administrative cost. So non-manufacturing selling cost is that cost which you incur to support your sales. For example, promotion, advertisement, right? Commission. Understand? Minsu.
Yes, yes.
And admin cost are that cost that you pay to support your administrative work. For example, salaries of executives, accountants, clerical job, but normally that belongs to head office activity. That has nothing to do with the manufacturing